Haters are people who want what you have, they want what you got, but don't have a pot to piss in or a window to throw it out. They are irritated, seemingly discombobulated, and will smile in your face but want to take your place. They talk about you behind your back, such a cowardly act. Wishing they could be behind the wheel of your automobile, your identity they quickly steal. Sometimes they cringe at your presence, highly upset about your motivation, say all kind of negative things about you, and the oxymoron is that they would love to do what you do. They comment on everything, from your hair, clothes, car, to your house. They become so fixated on you, they don't know how to shut their mouth, always talking trash, like a loudmouth in class. So worried about you, things in their lives start to slip through. You have to watch your hater, pay close attention, like watching a TV show before the intermission. They can be slick, they can be bold, plots and plans to bring you down, their hearts are very cold. Hateration is real, not false but true. You never know if you got a hater who is in your crew. So keep an eye out and your ears open for some things that may come to light. Don't be surprised if you ever discover a hater to your left or to your right. Sometimes they are the ones you thought would never act in such a way. And always remember, a hater dreams to live life in your shoes every day. Peace, blessings, much love. Poetic Flow.